The days of hand scrubbing your pool are officially done. This fully robotic cleaner does all the work for you. Let's find out what this Aiper Seagul 1500 is all about. Stick around. Hey guys and gals, welcome to Garage Gear. I'm JB, giving you the best tips and tricks to survive life in and out of the garage. And remember, if you're feeling the vibe and you want to be part of the tribe, subscribe. Hey, do you know what time it is? It's time to unbox that item! While you're watching me unbox this Aiper Seagul 1500, here are some of the details about it. In the box, you will find a charging cord, the removal hook, and the instruction manual. The unit itself does have some weight to it. This does help it prevent it from becoming buoyant while it's in the water. The Aiper Seagul 1500 cordless pool cleaner features powerful triple motors and a scrubbing roller that provides strong suction while cleaning. It comes with a large top-loading filter cartridge with superior filtering abilities that capture dirt and debris. This unit can handle 1,614 square feet of pool space and a max water depth of 8.2 feet. Plus, its filtering system moves along at 44 gallons per minute. This Seagul 1500 comes with a rechargeable battery that allows it to run around your pool for about 90 minutes. Stated charging times are about 7 to 8 hours, but right out of the box, this unit charged in 4. Here's your charging cord. Red, not charged. Green, good to go. We're going to plug up the charging port. This unit is fully charged and is now ready to be turned on. Time to get this guy in the pool. First, we're going to start by dunking it to get all the bubbles out. This will help it submerge better. I'll tell you what, this is one smart cleaning device. With its smart nav technology, it automatically detects your pool size, self-plans its operation route, then cleans the pool with a 15-degree angle. What it likes to do is come back to center, pivot, and then go back up. Come back to center, pivot, and go back up. Just a little heads up, I have a bottom drain here and this little guy can get stuck on it. If that does happen, turn the suction off to your lower drain and this thing will free itself right up. This little guy has a powerful 4-wheel drive system that allows it to climb directly up walls. Watch this. It comes up, sticks out its nose, and then squeegees the outermost rim of the pool to catch all the dirt and debris. Then it just simply drops back down, pivots and sets its next path, and goes. That's one aggressive little machine. And it does this with ease all around the pool. Now you might be asking, does the shape of the pool matter? Rectangular pools, round pools, oddly shaped pools, doesn't matter. It'll map it all out and clean it. When it's done cleaning or the battery starts getting low, it'll pull itself over to the edge and stop. Simply pick it up with the attaching hook that they gave you. Once you take it out, open up the filter hatch, take out the filter basket, and hose it out. Once it's all clean, reinstall the basket and charge it back up. Now, why is this robotic cleaner the way to go? Well, for starters, there's no need for hoses. You can swim around your pool freely with nothing in your way. He's just dancing on the bottom. Another thing is that other self-cleaning devices must run for longer. Thanks for cleaning the skimmer box, bro. Appreciate it. Over the period of several hours. This guy gets the whole pool done in 90 minutes. If you have kids, you probably don't want a pool cleaner wandering around your pool all day either. You can just simply drop the Seagul 1500 right in the morning, and it will probably be done by the time they wake up. Just set it and forget it. Look at this guy climbing the stairs. This Aiper comes with a 2-year warranty and worry-free customer service. Let your robot do the dirty work and get your weekends back. Don't forget to give me one of these. For more pool and garage gear content, check out my links right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.